Here we are in section 1-3 with the solutions 35 through 39. And we got some big simplification problems to do. Combine like terms and simplify. Right, number 34, 35. 2 to the third power is 8. We're going to distribute this -5 in here to clear out these parentheses so we can combine things. Minus 15x minus 40 minus 10. So combining like terms, there's only one thing that's an x, and that's a -15x. And then all the numbers, there's an 8 minus 40 minus 10. So 8 minus 40 is a -32, minus 10 is a -42. All right, number 36. We don't have any parentheses, so we just need to identify the like terms and simplify them. So we have a 5t minus t. Is that all the t's? So that'll be a 4t. 7y minus y, that's a 6y then, positive 6y, 6 minus 1. And then 23 and -27. It's a -4 when we put those two together, 23 minus 27. Good. Number 37. Oh boy, we've got braces, brackets, and parentheses. So let's work from the inside out. Let's first take care of all the parentheses. So this -3, jump in here. The 2 can jump in there. And of course, these two multiply there. So there's nothing really inside the parentheses except that -5. So let's write all that out. That stays the same, that stays the same, didn't change that guy. So minus 6x plus 9, oop, I forgot the bracket, and that's still a bracket, minus this bracket, -2x plus 2, -3 times a -5 is a plus 15, or if you wanted to say 3 times -5 is -15, and we subtracted that -15, that's okay too. Okay, now let's get rid of the brackets. So we get 2. There's nothing in front of this bracket, so we can imagine that's a 1 in front, and it just really, this bracket is not doing anything. 6 minus 6x plus 9, good. This bracket, however, this set of brackets, the negative sign has to jump into all of them. So we get plus 2x minus 2 minus 15. Now, some of you may have at that last step said, hey, can we simplify and put things together? Well, certainly. And I think we could do it right now very, very well. So this is, what can we put together here? We've got a -6x and a positive 2x. That's -4x. And then we have 6 plus 9. That's 15. Minus 2 is 13. Minus 15 is a -2. Oh, 6 plus 9 is 15. Minus 15 is 0. Minus 2 is a -2. Indeed. So this is what we're left with. Try to draw those braces well. Yeah, so that's not too bad. Now we just distribute and we get -8x minus 4. Excellent. Whew. Some of those are pretty intense there. Okay, let's do the same thing. Number 38. Start from the inside out, take care of the parentheses. So we get -4 brace, bracket, 3x minus 6 plus 7, minus bracket, the parentheses here, 12x plus 8 plus 3, bracket, and then brace. Okay, so there's nothing out in front here, so you could imagine that as a 1 if you'd like to, but there's nothing timesing that set of brackets, so that's not actually helping us. 3x minus 6 plus 7. This bracket, however, has a minus sign that has to be distributed to everything, so it's a minus 12x minus 8 minus 3. And the brackets are gone. So let's simplify like we did last time. Let's find all the x's. We have a 3x and a minus 12x. That's -9x put together. So now we have a minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 minus 3. So minus 6 plus 7 is a positive 1. Minus 8 is a -7. Minus 3 is a -10. So that's -4, and then this is in a brace. Let's go through that one more time. We have a +7 and a -6, 8, and 3. That's a -17 and a +7. Yes, indeed, that works. So distribute the -4, and it equals a +36x plus 40. Good. All right, last one. Oh, looks big. All right, so let's take care of the parentheses first. We can take this 3 in here and the -8 in there. So that's 33 minus 6x, and this is -16x plus 32. I'm just going to do that in a different color and show you what hasn't been changed. 2 minus, there we go. Oh, +1. And then that got changed. Okay, over there. So the red is what I actually adjusted and changed. I jumped to the 3 in, and I jumped the -8 in. So let's go ahead and now get rid of the brackets, which I need to jump this negative sign in. So we end up with, that's -33 plus 6x minus 1. And the brackets are now gone. So let's go ahead and write down everything to minus that. This one didn't change in this place. Okay. All right, it's getting kind of messy in here. Let's simplify everything we can together. So let's do that. Let me see, all the x's. We got a +6x and a -16x. So that's a -10x. And then with all the numbers, we have a +2 minus 33 minus 1 plus 32. Whoa. All right, so let's do all the positives. 2 and 32 is 34. -33 and -1 is -34. Oh, I think all these cancel. Okay, let's do it left to right just to make sure. 2 minus 33 is a -31. -1 is a -32 plus 32. Yeah, all the numbers are gone. And so now we're left with 7 times a -10x. It's a -70x. There we go. Excellent.